Every Friday, we'll talk about something which everyone runs from and also everyone loves it a lot. Yes, that's money.
Wait. Fun and finance? That's like saying gym or gulab jamun ek saath. Impossible, bro.
Okay, that's what we are bringing to life. That is Fun Financial Fridays, where we will discuss personal finance in such a way that you discuss your friend's dating life. There will be a lot of drama, confusion, and a lot of good and bad decisions. From how to manage the month-end broke wali feeling to investing your first salary and how not to become an EMI zombie, we will cover everything.
And if you think finance is boring, then we promise we'll make it interesting.
Every Friday, we'll drop one episode, sometimes with friends, sometimes solo, sometimes on your comments and questions. But every time the goal is same, to make finances fun, easy and doable. So welcome to Fun Financial Fridays, where personal finance gets a personality.
And if you're ready to level up your money game, then
Hit the subscribe button and let's get financially fit. One fun Friday
at a time.